So one of the goals of the Academy is to build an infrastructure so robust that those people that specialize in a type of magic or a type of development or a type of project have the ability to focus myopically on that thing, but also contribute back so that they have the teaching and the training and the support and the community development, the awareness of the community development of what they're doing and how they're doing it and everything like that already in place within the marketplace, so that as they go forward with it, with their practice, with their business, with their community, what have you, it's an ongoing narrative of development. So we're using the same principles of the narrative of spellcraft to walk out the principles and the interactions with those things. So those key points that are developed on day 1 and day 3 of the challenge, right? 1, 3, what's going to happen on day 7? Who knows, right? Surprise, bonus spoiler, there might be a day that's coming up in a few days after the challenge ends, right? But these are the things that we can get into in a deeper way, right? Giving you reason to go back and look at old material, giving you a reason to consider where you're at and what you want to do, right? So this is part of why we build these structures the way that we do. It's not about being the flashy thing, right? We're not doing that. We're doing something that's built to be robust over time. It's a legacy project. It's an endurance game, not a sprint, right? Short content is good, but short content with purpose is even better. So one of the things that we're doing, and we've started filming for, is the Digital Grimoire Project. So where I'm teaching the Divine Sorcerer spellcraft, where I'm teaching specific spells for specific things in the various levels of development, right? That's what you're going to get access to. That is part of what is one of the foundations of the Academy, spells that are taught to the community that are vetted by the community. If they work for everybody, if they don't work for everybody, there will be follow-up. This is not just a, hey, we're doing these things, I'm calling it a thing, and it doesn't actually work. I'm not putting a bunch of shit in a jar. I'm explaining why it all works together. I'm giving you the narrative of form. I'm giving you the understanding of what those words I just said mean.
Right.
So that you understand how faith is a science. To understand and have faith, it's not just belief. I don't have to believe shit. I have seen more stuff work. I have seen more stuff not work because it doesn't follow this shit than it does if it follows it, right? And in a secular path, that's fine. You can observe in all the many varieties of things, right? But there's a point when you become a priest, when you become a part of the religion, when you become an extension of those forces, when the individual coming into it becomes the thing delivering instead of receiving. If you give more than you take, you become something new, right? You become more, you become connected to the divine. And so as the first one who gets that, the divine sorcerer earns the right called that. So he gets to earn his name. What name will you earn? What name will you discover? Join us and find out.